We have a
Me rate that look at you there still.
My Kepa do, but I go do, man.
Where you buy my Kepa?
Him now no money for you.
They may see me like Rolex so much stack of money and go and go something there.
Buck tour.
What the bumbuck, lad? Yeah?
Anything I see with a buck tour, man, you see.
I hear talk about that. What do you call buck tour?
I want you to book into and just call him name himself buck tour, you see.
So when you say my buck tour, I don't understand that.
I was a book into and a job. I buck tour them call him, man. You see it. Buck tour that, man.
But me like him still. I go do it, you know. Him energy, you know, him young, man enjoy himself. Not a problem with him. You know? Pops, big him up.
I really you, man. I really you. Pops, I really you. Me and him in a real life, as I say, I'm going to give him $1 million and tell him stuff, go and cap on him with it, man. You see it. I go to you, man.
So you're money in that cap with?
My money, man.
Body buck, lad. So with big man thing, them video they me say,
Thank you so much for that Galaxy.
The video me say the dog are going with it, and I feel money?
No, sir, not for your money, man, father. Not for your money, man. No, you say anything I see you do, not believe him, man. I'm me that, man. We should have upon the media talk about them things still, you know. You know why?
Yeah.
We should have upon the media talk about anything about. You see it. I'm me that, man. Anything I say pops with me that. Then if I know me, I buck too.
Oh, and next you name buck too, so more time I'm magly your money, I'm magly buck too money too.
Yeah, man.
Oh. What's up, big up in a cause? We never know all of that.
Yeah, man, I read that, man.
I think if I make a whole heap of money as a local youth, I may say, yes, local youth.
No, man, that local youth, then I make the money, man. Lava. You see it. Lava say you could have bust me.
Amen.
Me see you bust whole heap of people like Rosalie, Mackerel and them thing there. You could have like say, yo, you're talented.
Yeah, but I can't really trust you still.
What do you mean I can't really trust me?
Yeah, man, sometimes you can't be trusted, man. Like, you have a look at quicksilver in your brain, motor, your brain go and forward back.
True. But me's a man we stand with loyalty.
Oh, okay.
Tad.
Some up on the double.
The sexy no girl would have name you. Salame.
So I ask you a question. So which one of TikTok are female then you the real name?
Probably. I'm sorry. Yeah.
See you never name Fabi already?
I'll never get a chance.
Oh, okay.
You get a chance, but my lap say no.
But you're never there for a while, man.
Yeah, but, boy. You read slime? FNB. What do you mean by that, darling? So, tell me something now, Lava.
Yeah.
You know Maya?
Maya?
Yeah.
Like a TJ Maya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You would slam that? Tell the truth, man. Oh, God, man.
Nah, I respect the dog, man.
Respect the dog too, you know. Because I'm a friend, you know. You see, respect it, you know.
So if I have friends, why you ask about your friend woman like that, bro?
No, but that's not the truth. I would.
Are you a friend woman?
No, but I would, but I truth me I tell you, you know make sense.
You understand what your friend woman, you're not supposed to say anything to your friend woman, bro.
Listen now. Listen me out. I would do it because it's two of them there. You see, but I would. I know you would too.
Oh, you know that.
You have you not like woman?
But me tell me respect the dog.
You respect the dog, yes. But
yeah, and you come and show me my respect too.
Big up Maya for that. You see it. Oh, I would. Play some. Oh.
Should I eat her?
Right, no.
I mean, I really in the other part, I see that because I know, because I want the people in customary and say me this, and I should not allow you make it this, bro.
No, man, I'm not this nobody, man. TJ, I'm a friend, man, I see it.
Yeah, but you're supposed to ask about the man, woman like that if a man is your friend, bro.
No, man, if TJ have a problem, TJ is a man who would have fought to me and say, yo, Jayden. No, like,
so a regular you say this?
Eh?
A regular you say this?
Regular thing, man. Cause, to be real with you, you know, if your woman look good, your woman look good, you see. But me not, but me some man go.
She look good.
Modo, if my friend, girl, you see, you not answer.
But you're not supposed to admit that, but you admit something now.
But I know me, make me admit that.
What do you mean?
God should make her look so good.
Yo, one time, Blue Royal.
Listen me out.
Yeah.
If we get Blue Royal, would I get him mother too? And no.
You wanna run some serious joke over here still about you.
For real. If we get Blue Royal, would I get him mother too? Is it? I don't want no combo right now. You see?
No, but me like Blue Royal. You can't go too far now, dog.
Blue Royal a good girl, you know, but me not rate her.
Man.
Not rate them stylish. Blue Royal is a different type of species, you know, you see it?
Yeah, I love Blue Royal. Me do Royal good.
So they're not that.
You know who need to? What's she name?
Rosalie, like you tell.
Well, what's she name again? I'm my boy. Jabba said it have a picture, man. What's she name? D Neat.
See it.
She not moving to D.
You know, say D, me tell you honest truth. You know, say D look like she not have no pitney.
Yeah, sure, that's true.
And when a woman do, me see on the app we have, she have only pitney, you know, she have around 7 pitney. You see it? And
so much pitney?
yeah.
Bumbo clad.
So Lava, tell me something now. You, would you date Annie?
That Annie, no. Come on, me not say her good. Me not say her good.
Why you not say that?
No.
Tell me the truth, man. Oh God, man.
No, one of that. No, something one of that. Annie cool.
Oh, you know say Annie cool.
Cause more time I see her clippings and on something, and you know she not seems a weird.
No man, Annie's a nice person. In a real life, me feel like Annie's a nice person, man. Is it? And I feel. I know. Annie's a nice person, man. Is it? A nice woman, man. Is it? You could have lived there, man.
Okay. So why you want to give her Annie?
Cause me can't get her.
Okay, understand.
Oh, I will.
Yeah. Hey. How you want to hear that, Sonia?
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
You know what voice that? And play it again.
Manalai, shut and laugh, have a buzz.
Rebel.
My friend that here. And before you say nothing, know your bum buckler say here. Alright.
What I never.
Me tell if you know you say still say it, you bad man.
Good one.
Bro, you can't get appetite or lead astray, bro.
But Rebel look good.
Yeah, but you can't make appetite or lead astray, bro.
I will, but time appetite lead me astray for true.
You can't do that, dog.
Beautiful one, thank you, darling. You're so beautiful. Boy,
dog, you know, with you know, you have to eat ton calm meal so you get belly full up, full fast. So you can't do that, bro, man.
So, Lava, would you date Rosalie?
Rosalie, I'm a pitney, man. I want to man. I'm not made them something there.
That mean you're old man then?
Yeah, man, I'm an old man.
You know, say me and bald man never get along.
Yeah, man.
That me notice. Me and bald man.
Probably it's a bald man to call a fake ear having a head right there, too.
A fake ear? Me having a ear right now, yeah?
A fake ear?
Mm-hmm.
See there?
Boy, I have who tell my business?
No, kind of look that weird still.
Oh.
Come have a bridge in your entourage having some fake locks and it kind of look that weird there.
Oh. Well, me have a friend named TJ, you see me I say, and him not put in a fake locks, him just, it just shine, you see it.
Okay. Understand. Okay. Okay, I understand. Like on have the place, you go on all of the places, see me?
Yeah, man. No, that man, no, I'm telling you, man. You see it.
Why?
So, tell me the truth. What you think about me? What you think?
What you think? But honest truth? You know, for entertain people. Yeah, I'm a gay that, you know, for entertain people. But, man, I like the fish joke they may pull out.
No fish
joke
like it, man. No fish.
Yeah, man, you ask me, I tell you, bro.
Fabulous, thank you.
Get where I come from? Yeah, man, the little shaky thing you go on with more time, and I like it, bro.
Like what?
The fucking bag of fish, them, my youth. That, Mr. Brother?
Oh, you know, like when I add the fish them.
Let's tell me honest truth. And someone say your skin out too.
No, sir, I don't believe that.
Yo, brother, want to look at youth, man.
No believe that, man. No believe that. Lava, you talk to the real person, you're saying I believe comment over me, you know. You know them thing, them, man. No believe what them say, man. I believe them comment there, you see. Me not do them thing, them on my father, man. Alright, say, man.
Okay. But that alone still, me not really like what you do, man. But you understand?
Me understand, you know, me not put no up on you, you know. You see, remember say the fish need.
So where you play my friend song for?
Vani?
Yeah.
Am I woman that, man?
Man, I'm a friend too, you know. Vani was a party what they are and New York, and Vani look good.
Vani always look good.
Yeah, man, Vani look good.
Vani ever look good.
Yeah, man, drop a bomb for you.
Vani, me not tell no lie. Vani is a girl that always put herself together. She not really try. Although when she take off the wig, she ugly. But you see, now the wig, she look good. You see.
Might stop ramp up with my friend them bad man.
Who else are your friend?
Vani. Cause from day one, Vani, mackerel, Rosalie, cheese, twip.
Cheese.
Yes, so be careful. All right then. Somebody said lava Jaden to mix up. I know rebel, don't fuck around rebel.
Rebel, I'm a girl, man. One day she give me pretty, you know?
Yeah, pretty? Boom! I'm pretty cock up, you know?
Cock up. Say, no, say I will live a meal that, you know?
Why it always have to be meal? You want to say you will pretty and breed her or something?
Yeah, me a breeder. Me would a breeder, yes. But it's a famous bull, that, man.
He my famous bull.
Good, yeah.
Why this conversation have to be about Nyamin? If you say you want to pretty and get some ras and all them go something,